Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily enable or disable double-click side button to open your wallet in Apple Pay. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under this video, write comments, and let's get started. So friends, in general, what is double-click and how it can be useful for you? Double-click is when you make a purchase or pay with your Apple Pay wallet. And in order to do a transaction, you have to double-tap the power button on your iPhone. And that's a very convenient feature. But if you think you don't need it, or it's in your way, or it's not enough protection, you can turn it off. In order to find this option, you'll need to find the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down in the settings a little bit and go to the Apple Pay section. Next, here you will be able to easily find the double tap option. And if you have it enabled, like I do, you'll just need to turn it off with the switch. If on the other hand you have it disabled, then to turn it on, just like that, just click on this toggle switch and that double click option will be activated. Friends, this is the simple and quick method to enable or on the contrary disable the side button double-click feature to open your wallet and Apple Pay. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to write your comments, be sure to like, subscribe to our channel. See you soon.